Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Zimbabwe's elephant culling decision. Zimbabwe announced plans to cull 200 elephants to combat food shortages caused by an extreme drought. This follows the worst drought in 40 years, triggered by the El Nino weather phenomena. Approximately 68 million people across southern Africa are suffering from hunger due to crop failures. Neighboring Namibia also recently culled elephants for similar reasons, distributing the meat to drought-affected populations. Reason for elephant culling. The drought has led to widespread agricultural failures, severely affecting food availability. Wildlife authorities believe culling elephants will provide much needed food for struggling communities. The move also helps manage the elephant population, which is competing for scarce water and vegetation. Namibia's similar action using elephant meat as a food resource influenced Zimbabwe's decision. Impact of drought in southern Africa. Over 68 million people are affected by severe food shortages and malnutrition due to the prolonged drought. Wildlife populations are under extreme stress as water sources dry up and vegetation becomes scarce. Communities facing hunger increasingly rely on wildlife as an emergency food supply. The drought has caused long-term damage to ecosystems, threatening both human and animal survival. Global responses and concerns. Conservationists are concerned about the long-term ecological effects of culling elephants. International debates continue over balancing the immediate needs of people with wildlife conservation. Wildlife officials defend the culling as necessary for human survival in the face of the drought crisis. International relief efforts are being mobilized to assist the millions affected across southern Africa. Now it's time for the practice question. What caused the food shortages in southern Africa? Conflict, El Nino, economic collapse, or flooding? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.